Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 14th August. I am so thankful to Allah that Allah has blessed us with this country where we can pray according to Islam freely. So I am so thankful to Allah. Thank you, Ya Allah, mashallah. So I am here to talk about what I packed for Baku, and I underestimated it. The thing was that when I visited Baku, this capital of Azerbaijan, it was having a temperature of 10 to 12 degrees centigrade, most probably it's Celsius, whatever it is. I thought that like in Pakistan, I'm able to survive 10 to 12 degrees like with a jacket maybe or socks and everything. So I thought I would be able to survive there. Now I misjudged it. I totally miscalculated. I'll tell you what happened. Now I took this like skirt. This skirt, see. This is a denim skirt, as you could see. The way men normally wear their jeans or something, it was a denim skirt. And underneath it, I was wearing these tights, see. These tights, so these tights, because they stick to your legs, and above it I was wearing this skirt. I had also taken this jacket with me. It's kind of this material, I don't know what's called, fleece or what, thin but not that thick, with a cap or hoodie, what do you say. So socks, then sneakers, then another fleece type of a shirt I had taken. Now the thing was that when I went out during the night time in Baku, I couldn't stand the cold because it was so cold that I thought I might get pneumonia because I was looking for food, and I thought that people here are not understanding English that well. If I catch pneumonia, how would I be able to extend my flight due to my stay in the hospital or the treatment? So I clearly underestimated Baku's cold weather. I would suggest that if you travel in this kind of a climate, be very careful that you have a jacket that can control the temperature for you, like you may feel warmer. Socks should be, I think, of thicker material. Then maybe something that you wear beneath your clothes that is thick enough to block, because 10-12 degrees was, believe me, too cold for me, at least coming from Pakistan, and my city has a normal temperature. Like, it was not snow falling there, but it was extremely cold that I did not eat dinner. I went back and I thought I have some biscuits in my bag. I ate them instead, and then I survived and I slept because I did not want to catch pneumonia. So I would suggest that whenever you go to Baku, be prepared if you're going in the cold weather, because it's really, really cold. Even if you take some kind of summer clothes, just as a safety precaution, but be careful that you're prepared for this thing also. And an additional tip for you, that it's very few that you find people in Baku who can speak and understand English. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.